Well, got a different video for you. This is on the 1993 Honda Civic DelSol, the D16 motor here. I am going to be installing my new exhaust system on it with a aftermarket eBay 2.5-inch GodSnow exhaust. All right, this is the GodSnow exhaust system that I will be installing on my SI with the D16 VTEC motor. This is going to be short and sweet, quick and dirty. First thing I did was put the OEM hangers, these little rubber beasties, as I jokingly call them, onto the new system. I'm going to be moving everything under the car to get it in position. First thing you're going to want to do is get these new rubber guys onto the body. At the factory locations. Alright, now for the muffler. Hopefully I'm not in the way. Up and over the suspension. And two, again, using a tablet a little more precarious. There, and there on the other side. And you're up and over the suspension. Alright. Now we're going to get in position. Sorry, the light's in the back there. To install this S-piece, I guess if you want to call it. Going to mount here, and it's going to connect there to the other end, and hopefully it'll fit up and sit nicely in the body. Gasket, bolt, bolt. Run it in. Catch a nut. The other one. My body is probably in the way. I apologize for that. Alright. There's our basic fitment. If you can see that, I'm going to do my adjustments and bolt installing off camera. Everybody's finger tight, so it's kind of in position. I've got to put the third exhaust hanger up for the exhaust here. The exhaust pipe. Okay, it is on. So there you see how it's going to fit. Just wanted to note, as I tighten all these up, all your hardware is 14mm on the setup. So you're going to need your socket and your wrench to tighten these bad boys up. I like to add a little anti-seize to the threads of the bolts just to make it easier when removing for any maintenance later on down the road. The last portion of this install is going to be attaching the Catback to your factory catalytic converter, test pipe, whatever you're running with. I am about to do a header, and this is the test pipe that goes with it. I'm going to be adding a catalytic converter down the road, but these are the last bits that you will have. So this GodSnow kit comes with the bolts and the gasket to connect to your OEM, aftermarket, whatever you're running. You just attach everything together, and that's the basic install of it. How it fits back here. That's how it looks with the resonator installed. This is a gunmetal finish on the muffler. I will do a sound video of it later, once I obviously get the rest of the car put back together. This gives you an idea of how everything fits. Everything's all tightened up. We'll see when everything's back together. But there you go.